experiment we will do is about irreversible change. Now let us know about what is irreversible change. The change that can't be reversed back is called irreversible change. Here I will show you boiling of rice. This is the rice grains and we will soak the rice grains in the water. Water gets absorbed into the grain and heat softens the starch. It swells up and the rice grains changes into color into white and it can't be reverted back. So it is an irreversible change. The next experiment is about osmosis. When raisins are kept in water for a few hours, the raisins will swell up or they will expand in size. This happens due to osmosis, which is the movement of molecules from a region of its higher to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Let's check our third experiment, which is convex lens concentrate sun rays. Here, to do this experiment, I need a leaf and a magnifying glass and a sunny day. When a magnifying glass is held over a piece of paper or a leaf at a distance equal to its focal length, the sun rays falling on the lens converge at a point that lies somewhere on the paper or a leaf. Thus, solar energy spread over the lens surface area gets concentrated at one point. That's when the paper or a leaf starts burning. We can perform the same experiment with a laser light too. For the easiest way, you can use a white paper where there is write-ups with black ink or a newspaper. After few hours, we can see that the leaf has burnt.